like to learn more things, new things, and I like to explore more. They take care of them like their own child. They can really come to English Lab because the environment, the people, the teachers, and everyone, they're really nice. Hello everyone, this is Shurduti and I'm a student of English Lab. Today I'm here to share my journey of learning English. So first, I am a really loud person. I like to learn more things, new things, and I like to explore more. So when I saw the ad of English Lab in Facebook, then I realized that English is really important for, to survive in this economy. I just messaged and they were really nice to give me a reply. And then I got admission in here. And when I came here, I saw that the environment in here, it's really nice. The people, students and teachers, everyone is really friendly. If I talk about the teachers, they're really nice. They're helpful. They'll help you no matter what. Even if they're tired, even if they're feeling exhausted, they'll help you to learn something new. And the students, they're also really eager to learn something. They're also here to make themselves more better, to improve. And anyone who wants to learn English, anyone who is looking forward to improve their self, to make a better self for the future, they can really come to English Lab because the environment, the people, the teachers, and everyone, they're really nice. They're so polite. I would say they respect their students. They take care of them like their own child. And the teachers, they are like our own brother. They care for us like their family. And the bond they create, it's amazing. Thank you.